Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix payments via credit card not working on Flixbus. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flixbus account or your application, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you get the app? Pretty simple. You can get it on Google Play Store or you can get it on Apple Store. Launch any of that and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Flixbus and follow through the on-screen prompt to download and install. After downloading and installing successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic window where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Flixbus. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's start, which is how to fix payment via credit card not working. So how to do that? We have some help here. And it's very important that your details are entered exactly as they are displayed on your debit or credit card. If not, you're going to have a problem. So if the problem persists, you can try to close your internet browser, reopen it, and try to book again or use a different internet browser. Google Chrome works best with Flixbus. Now, another possible solution, so after you've tried that and it doesn't work, another possible solution could be to use a different email address or choose a different payment method. So let's say you use a credit card, so you can just switch to PayPal, create a PayPal account, add funds there, and use PayPal. All right, so or you use a different email address. So enter a new email address or use a different payment method, and that's really going to help you. Now, keep in mind that only your bank has direct access to all your payment actions, so you should contact them for further questions. So let's say it's not working, you can contact your bank and let them know that, hey, I'm trying to book a ride on Flixbus and they're telling me that my credit card is not working, all the stuff. So just reach out to them and they could verify it. It could be a problem with your credit card, so contact your bank directly and they could help you with it. Now, if you're trying via app, now uninstall the application and install the latest version. So let's say you opened your application or you downloaded the application from Google Play Store. Head back to Google Play Store and search Flixbus. Once you search that, if you find the update button, click on that and update it because you need to get rid of bugs. Now, after updating, then it should start working. All right, so please note that if a 3D secure is enabled for your card, additional layer of verification in form of PIN or password, then you will need to complete additional verification step on your bank's 3D secure page in order to complete the purchase. And please make sure you are inserting the PIN and password correctly in a timely manner. So after following through with any of those processes, then it should really start working. It should really start working, I guarantee you. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.